Why is there water?
What in the heck is that? Crack? Yeah, maybe the line cracked? Oh, yeah.
You got a little fry bar and stuff? Yeah.
When the video comes out, your thing is just gonna be all pixelated. I'm following you today for the first half.
Alright. I think I got 4 separate calls today.
The first 2 calls are at the same house.
Well, let me ask TJ because I didn't know that.
Yeah.
This is my first 2 windows.
Yeah, so you're gonna do the parts while you're doing the tune-up.
Alright, it's not gonna take until 12 though.
Well, give us an update before 10 o'clock, before the second window. Maybe we can move some stuff up. Yeah, right out.
Damn, you're wet. Come on. I'll beat you up. That area too.
You go to a club inspection?
Down Monroe. Go to a club inspection.
Good luck with that.
Thank you.
All right, man. See you there.
Sounds good. This is George behind me.
Hello.
Okay, hi George.
The one part that we'll be changing, the capacitor, that's used for the furnace or the AC regardless. The flame sensor is just for the heating. I'll test it, make sure it works obviously before I go, but I know you won't be using the heat as much as a couple months ago, so. But we'll make sure everything is working for you before we go and you have hopefully no stresses this summer, so. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Someone asked you the dreaded old question that you probably heard numerous times. What are you working on today, Billy?
We are just doing a capacitor for the fan in here quick and a flame sensor for the furnace.
What was wrong with the appliances?
The capacitor was just low and then it's got a little nick in the flame sensor starting to kind of wear down. I was here a couple months ago and during heating.
So you got on the schedule and now
we're here.
Now we're here. As Frank says to me, you're gonna save the day.
Am I?
Oh, for sure.
Why is there water?
Crack? Yeah, maybe the line cracked. Oh, yeah. There's some things dripping. Very wet. So let me look at this a little more first.
Oh yeah. I wonder if it's either a crack or did it like go loose?
I think the one or the two. It's just a matter of which one.
Yeah.
What in the heck is that? Well, that's what's leaking for sure.
Yeah.
I can try to re-glue it, I guess.
Hopefully that can help.
If it doesn't hold, I'll try to prime it, but I didn't know if the primer would even stick to this vinyl too.
Yeah.
Oh, it shouldn't be moving. I can try to prime it.
I mean, it's worth a shot.
Yeah.
So hopefully the primer would give it a better hold.
Just usually cleans it so the glue will stick to the pipe better.
Gotcha.
I don't know what I would use to re-pipe to like adapt to plastic like that. Yeah, no, I'll just have to talk with Derek. Can you hear me? You got me or no? Derek! Go outside and call.
What does that PVC go to, the 3/4 PVC?
To a trap that comes out of the furnace.
The other thing I see you doing is like a 3/4 inch T,
Yep.
PVC T. Do 2 female adapters, and then do like a 3/4 male by 1/2 inch barb,
Okay.
and be able to connect it that way. You know what I mean? That at least then it would stay on. You can put a hose clamp on it.
Yeah.
So that's really the only thing I could think of is just doing a glue-on T, a couple female adapters, and then get like a 3/4 male by 1/2 inch barb, 2 of them, and then screw those into the PVC.
Look at you.
Yep.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Coolio.
So,
All right. Thank you, sir.
pretty sure I lost you again. Good luck.
Thank you.
You said look at him, look at you, Mr. Plumber.
That's why I don't have everything. I'm not a plumber. Alright, well, I have to price that. Then we'll have to come back. Let me grab some duct tape.
Was it a lot of drippings? That was.
The puddle was, he can kind of attest to, it was probably about this big. It wasn't
Yeah.
very deep or anything. It was just kind of a little skim of water in the pan.
Yeah.
What we would do again is we'll cut this pipe here and then we'll use actual fittings that are supposed to be glued together, so it's much more solid and there's not much more of a chance of it leaking at that point. So we'll do that at some point, but I'll give you the price
Yeah, give
before
me
we
the
go.
price and see.
But at a minimum right now, again, everything is running. This is just kind of another little hiccup that kind of has started. The 2 parts are in. I tested the furnace. The furnace works. So if you need the heat again tonight or whatever, you can run the heat.
Yep.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep.
Choking on the dust.
It's crazy how much dust in what, a year?
We don't do this every year either.
Oh, okay. What's typical, like every couple of years or?
Just whenever it gets real dirty.
Gotcha.
No kind of set amount of time.
Yeah.
Gotta find a hose spigot.
There she blows.
All right, you got 5 seconds to run. Oh, I would have doused you.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I gave you full permission.
Put the camera down and then let me spray.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, look at this nasty.
Yeah, if it doesn't all come off, we'll pop these 4 bolts out and then we can just give it a nice wipe, but hopefully it's enough water pressure.
Yeah.
Nasty stuff.
What? Billy peed himself.
Whoops.
It's alright, I peed on myself too.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's alright.
You know what'll work better? Time out. Go grab a Mr. Bald sponge.
Oh, yeah. Dun 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 dun. Brock kind of looks like him.
Brad. Yeah, just the angrier version.
Yeah.
Mr. Angry, not Mr. Clean.
So correct me if I'm wrong. This is to check the pressure, right? Because I see you guys use it a lot.
Yeah, pressure, and it gives us
Gotcha.
like a subcool superheat rating.
Gotcha. Okay.
This one gives me the subcool, so I'm just gonna start with the 1 reading, so we'll see how that is, so I don't
Nice.
let too much refrigerant out at a time every year.
Okay.
just want to watch this for now and see what that gets to.
So what number do you need to get?
9.
So it's all good?
Yeah.
Nice.
All good in the hood.
Literally.
AC is running fine, so you're good to use it whenever, no issues with that. Just the drain is part of the heating side of things.
And leave me all the directions about what's going on with that leak.
Yeah, I was gonna kind of write a brief kind of synopsis up on the top here for you. So I got 2 for you, just since there's the tune-up and then the 1 job. So we'll have a signature there, please. That's 1 for you there. 2. All right. Well, nice to see you.
You too.
If again any questions or issues, let us know. So.
I will.
Alrighty.
Yep.
All right.
Have a good summer.
You too. Take care.
Nice meeting you. All right. I just need a little outro from you, and then we're out of here.
Yeah. Tune-up's all set. Parts are in. Furnace was tested. Everything is working. Found one little kind of minor thing that we gave her a price to come back and fix. Not related to AC, but part of the unit in the attic. And that's it. Everything's up and running.
And we got a little wet too, but
Yeah, that's
you know, it's all good. We dried up
back
though.
off. Yeah. All right.
All right, man.
We'll see you later.
See you later. You have a great day.
You too. Enjoy the sunshine.
You too.
Sunshine and rainbows.
Yeah. It's all sunshine and rainbows here. See you later.
Peace out.